and today I'm going to talk just about it as a clicker press. Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and you are on my Leathercraft YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would be grateful for your subscription. When you start selling your leathercraft, you are trying always to improve your efficiency on time. Why? Because time is money. When I started selling my crafts, first of all I hand cut leather using plastic templates, but when orders step by step increased and I realized that in that way cutting leather takes too much time and I need something like clicker press to make this process faster. But industrial clicker press is huge and costs too much for small business. Hand clicker presses such this also cost too much for me and I couldn't find anything affordable. Then I got an idea to manage something with my Arbor press I had and used to make stamping on my leathercraft. I'm using this Arbor press for 3 purposes. Probably I will split this video in 2 parts and today I'm going to talk just about it as a clicker press, and about other 2 purposes I will make another video. First of all, when I decided I need press for my crafting processes, problem for me was to find out how exactly this type of press is called, as just word press gives you vast variety of devices by searching them. So exactly this type of press is called Arbor press. This one is a half-ton press and I bought it on British eBay. Yes, it's a quite heavy item and shipping to your location may be an issue, but here we have companies which gives you shipping address of their store in other European Union countries and delivers an item for a quite reasonable price. So shipping from UK to Lithuania wasn't a big problem. I bought it probably 3 or 4 years ago, and as I remember it cost me around 100 euros including delivery. So you can check online for Arbor press and probably you will find something. To make it possible for cutting out leather, I attached this pad of 16mm plywood with 1 bolt. Okay. Next step, we need things for cutting out. These tools are called cutting dies. I found who makes custom cutting dies for reasonable price in AliExpress. Chinese made items, so don't expect super quality, but I have few of them for a couple years and they still do job well. I will leave the link where I ordering my custom dies in video description down below, so you can check them. To make this cutting press fully working, we also need couple things. I use this small self-healing cutting mat, which you usually can see on Leathercrafter's workbench, on my plywood pad, and I made few 5mm thickness steel plates, which I put on cutting die to spread pressing force of piston. Okay, let's look how the whole cutting process looks like. Arbor press, then cutting mat, leather, cutting die, and on the top steel plate. And just press it. And here we have piece of our leathercraft. For small pieces such as wallet pocket, it's quite easy, but with bigger parts I go through all sides to make sure it is cut everywhere. So here we also can cover up question, is a half-ton press enough? Probably if I would be going to buy Arbor press now, I would go with heavier, at least 1 ton, to avoid issue I mentioned before, but in general I have no big problem working with a half-ton Arbor press also. Cutting with cutting dies saves you a lot of time, but also it has another big advantage against hand cutting. Your cuts are precisely even. And one more tip. If you are going to make some dies for your projects, keep in mind, if you have, for example, 2 same pockets on the wallet, but just inverted, so you don't need to have 2 different dies. Just cut one pocket regular way and another one, flip over leather piece before cutting, and you will have 2 inverted pieces, which fits your wallet design. Probably you can argue that working that way is inconvenient. For sure, with actual clicker press it would be more convenient. For a while I keep in mind an idea to make clicker press by myself, but it's still just an idea. So if you have any better variations of affordable clicker press, please share in the comment section, it would be helpful for me and the other viewers. Next video I'm going to show another 2 ways I'm using my Arbor press for. So if you are new here, subscribe for my channel. If you find this video helpful, at least please press the like button for YouTube algorithm. If you would like to support my channel, please purchase any of my PDF templates, even if you don't need it. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find at my webshop strhandmade.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!